Yes, what is up guys? Welcome to the month 5 and 6 Rogaine update. I know it's been a couple months since I uploaded, blah blah blah. If you don't care what I'm saying, skip to see my hair. But in today's video, I'm going to show you where my progress is right now, where it was last month, and I'm also going to shave my head to show you what it looks like in the most true raw form. But other than that, it's good to be back and let's get this video started. So if this is the first video of the series that you're watching and you're new to this channel, then we're gonna go ahead and snap back through month 1 all the way up to month 4, just so you guys get a bigger picture of where it all started and where it all is now. So let's take a look at that. So when I moved out of Michigan a couple months ago, or a month and a half ago, I noticed that my hair started thinning more. It started like shedding again, and I started getting worried. And I was looking online for anything that might help me figure out why the shedding might be so intensified, and I couldn't find anything related to Rogaine. Some people said that there's a second shed and that you can come out of it. Other people were like, yeah, I've entered a second shed, never got out of it. So I got really scared, and I actually introduced finasteride last month. So I'll show you what that bottle looks like and what the pill looks like. But basically, I've been taking half a tablet of finasteride, which is 1 milligram. So I've been taking 0.5 milligrams every other day for the past month. Now my hair, in my opinion, I don't think it's changed since the last video. Maybe it has, maybe it hasn't, but I've definitely halted the hair loss, and I'm pretty satisfied from where I started, because where I started from, I would definitely say there's been a 25 to 30% increase from month 1 to right now. I also did put into consideration that my lifestyle choices, like smoking hookah, I don't know if you guys know what hookah is, but it's basically just tobacco, has nicotine in it, you know, smoking, not working out as much as I used to, and basically just anything that cuts the circulation to my scalp. I started putting things into consideration, and I completely quit smoking. I'm trying to work out a little more, trying to eat healthy. It's just hard when you transition from one state to another because you're just trying to figure out how to get organized. But I know that after I figure all that out, after I get furniture in here, a bed in here, and all that stuff, and everything is all set up, I'll be on my grind. Definitely working out like 5 days a week, definitely eating healthy. But look at this is what my room looks like right now. See, look at that, look at this setup. This is why I was waiting for this, and I'm guilty of that too, but I was waiting for this to come in the freaking mail from Michigan, and it took forever. And this is where this is where I reside. And look how beautiful it is. Every freaking day it's sunny here. I live in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is beautiful weather constantly. That's essential. That's essential. And most importantly, this is essential. You guys don't understand the power safflower oil has. When I was shedding as well, again, if you don't care what I'm saying, skip through so you can just see my hair and get it over with. If you don't care what I'm saying. But the safflower oil, when I stopped using it, that was also the time I moved here, and that was also the time when I stopped using safflower oil, that was the time I moved here, and I was smoking, and I was doing a bunch of other things that just were, you know, messing with my hair growth. So I reordered the safflower oil from Amazon. It's like 19 bucks, and I started putting that on my scalp once a day. I've already started noticing a difference. And then I jumped on finasteride last month, and now I'm still using Rogaine. So basically, with all that being said, this is where we're at right now. Right now I'm in month 6, currently creeping into month 7. Here we go. Here it is, and you can still see the spot here. But again, remember where I started? I didn't have anything. So this is expected. This is where my hair kind of was before I started using Rogaine, maybe a tiny bit better. Let's go in the bathroom, take a look at the back. There we are. And here's the back. And this is like obviously not under the ring light, this is just regular exposure. You see, like I can definitely get away with it. I can definitely get away with it. And there it is, man. There it is, there's your guys' update. Boom. I also wanted to mention too, my hair, or my channel, my YouTube channel isn't all gonna be related to hair loss. It's just right now, I started off and it was just a good idea to start off with. And it was just the most relevant thing happening in my life. So I decided to just start a YouTube channel. But I do intend on recording like interesting content, things I do in my day-to-day life. I do love riding motorcycles. I do love hiking outdoors. I love swimming. I love the ocean. I love things like that. So hopefully throughout this channel, as you watch it evolve, I can implement more of those in an organized way and actually have an effective YouTube channel that not only inspires hair growth, but basically inspires you to just live your life. That's my motto. Oh, let me show you guys. Let me show you the Finastride. So here it is. And this is what it looks like. And I split that in half and I take it once every other day. There it is. And here's the safflower oil. You get the brand name and everything. The brand is actually going to be, what is the brand? I'll leave a link in my description so you guys can grab that. It's a little tincture that I just put on my scalp. And here's the Rogaine that I'm still using. Still got a lot left. Here's a scalp massager. Nothing changed. And sometimes I use, where is that thing? Sometimes I use this. I use this maybe once or twice a week, the biotin shampoo. You get it for like 10 or 12 bucks on Amazon. And that's about it. So, let me go ahead and shave my head. I think I'm ready. You know, I do like my hair where it's come so far. It could be better. And I would keep it at this length, but the thing is, I keep using so much of this damn product. I think that it would be better if I just had very minimal hair and I was able to just slap on the product and not waste so much of it. But worst case scenario, it grows back. Worst case scenario, it doesn't grow back. And best case scenario, I fly straight to Turkey and put some freaking hair on my head. But I'm trying to refrain from that because it's a little costly, but that's it. You guys don't even worry about it. My hair doesn't grow back, don't worry. We'll find another way. We will definitely find another way. Let's go. Wow, so this is absolutely crazy. So if you guys seen when I first updated the video how my scalp was, there's definitely been changes up here. You guys can see the changes. You can see that it's lighter all around evenly instead of lighter just in specific areas. So you can see that it's evenly light all around, and I mean that has to be a good sign. Shedding while you're on Finastride and Rogaine has to be a good sign. So I'm excited to see what it turns into. But yeah, look, here's the back of it. Here's the back of my scalp. And if it's not lined up on the sides, don't worry, I'll get to it whenever I get the chance, but let's look at it from the bathroom mirror. So, there we are. There we are. Yeah, this is crazy. So for those of you who think I got a hair transplant, in your face, because I did not get a hair transplant. If I did get a hair transplant, I'll be making videos on my transplanted hair. But this is just my natural hair, and you guys have watched me through the process. But anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Leave your opinions in the section comment below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're doing. Slam that subscribe button, RKO that like button, and until next time, I'll see you soon.